Okay, welcome to our another tutorial, and this tutorial is may iba po siya sa mga tutorial na mga sinend ko before because this is all related for the DevOps. But right now, the tutorial that I'm going to show with you guys is to automate something. Uh, naman na we are in the era of automations and with the use of the tools that we have right now, like AI. So probably it will help us make our tasks more efficient in doing sa mga itatapos natin ng mga tasks. And right now, since in my company, I've been working as a customer service, and we have something that I need to do to improve in our departments because may time na gumagawa po kami ng email. We email a bunch of users or client of ours na kailangan namin siyang gagawin in manually. But it takes, medyo time consuming siya guys and not very efficient if for me so yun, I'm going to create something na to leverage yung email blasting po natin by using this kind of method. So right now, if you're going to see right now with my screen is meron po akong uh, Excel. And then under Excel right now, I have only three columns. And ang aim ko dito is I have the name, and then I have an email, and then I have a password. And what I'm going to do is ito pong mga nasa column dito, 1 and 2, sabihin natin A and V and C right here. And ito po yung mga isang mga column po natin na kailangan po nating gamitin as a parameter. So right now I have my Google Doc right now. So if you notice, ito po yung template ng aming isi-send sa aming client. So we have the name, we have the email, and the password. So you see what we notice here. Kung i-compare natin dito sa ating Excel, we have the name and the email, the password. So ito po yung mga different parameter na pag i-send po natin siya, ito po yung lalabas, okay? So just imagine kung marami po tayong mga email dito, mga username na kailangan natin i-send, yun po yung gagawin natin, okay? I-email niya to bawat isa. So right now, I have the app script. Probably it is can be found sa ating Excel, okay, and then app here. So ito na po yung makikita natin. So by default, meron po siyang simple script lang dito, but ni-remove ko muna siya. But I can paste another script na I prepared to you guys at I prepared for us to automate those what we need. Okay, so right now, paste ko siya. Yan. So, basically, ito po yung natin, uh, function po natin. And we're going to start dito sa ating variable na row. Ito yung i-read niya as a variable. Okay? And then each of them, i-iterate niya, meaning if-for loop niya, or loop niya yon bawat isa at assistant niya. So I have this document ID that I have. Basically, dito ko siya kinuha yung ID natin. Okay, dito sa document natin. Kasi access niya to and then ilalagay po natin siya sa ating uh, functions with get text with using HTML body. Okay? So get text siya replaced by HTML conversions. So kaya kung ginawang HTML, at least hindi siya bare plain text lang. At least kung ano po yung ginawa po natin dito na changes dito, so it also reflect po sa ating email. Okay? So ito lang siya guys, and then get HTML versions where this is the URL we're going to export, and then yung token key, and then we have the headers, and then if for loop, like I said, if for loop niya to yung ating data, yung nasa Excel, and then yun yung ilalagay niya, i-replace niya dito. Okay? So if this is things is going well na rin, like ito yung pong ready-made, already fixed na format, and then I'm going to save, and then so watch guys kung ano pa mangyayari. So i-run ko siya guys. So after running, you can check here in your email, and then it said format email sent. So ito po yung nag-pop up dito ngayon is format email sent, meaning na sent na niya. Okay? So right now, we're going to check sino yung mga sinendan natin. With si Mark, we have the Gmail, this one. So probably I'm going to blurt on it, guys, for me to have the confidential lang, guys, for the email. So if we're going to check it sa ating email dito, you see this is the email na sinent niya. Okay? Likewise din sa ating Gmail na sa ibang account, it's also sent also here. Okay? Yan. So, ganun lang siya sa kasimple guys. How to automate your email blasting. So, by leveraging what we have sa Google. So note lang din dito guys is we need to use the Google Workspace to work this kind of so kung hindi po tayo Google, so probably there's a things that we need to fix guys. Okay? I think this is the thing that I will share to you guys. I hope that this tutorials hope you guys will help you with your future mga kan po natin. Uh, Especially for those who need this kind of method. And again, so you can also subscribe to me and click the notification bell, guys, if you want to have this kind of uh, topic that we have. So okay, guys. So I'll see you on the next topic.